Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi 3400 PSI 2.3 gallons per minute gas pressure washer. It is powered by the Honda GC190 premium engine. Guys, this thing was around $400. We got it for half the price at DTO. When these deals pop up, make sure you guys stay subscribed, hit the like button so you guys won't miss any of these deals. Like I said, we ended up getting this for 50% off. When these deals pop up, they do sell out quick, so you guys better be quick. Fully made in the USA with global materials, powered by Honda. It says includes a handle, wand, hose, siphon hose, engine, lubricant, 5-in-1 nozzle, 3-year limited warranty, 2-year on the engine. It says include a 16-inch surface cleaner. So this is what it includes. I really like this package because it did include that. 50 feet high pressure hose. Now this is a plus on this one because not all models come with a 50-foot hose. The previous Ryobi model that I bought, it came with the 20-foot hose, or 15 or something ridiculous like that. That, you know, it's pretty much worthless. You cannot even go around a small car with that one. So, but this one, yeah, you can, you know, pretty much half of your house you can do with 50 feet. You got a 5-in-1 quick change nozzle for versatile cleaning, and Honda engine. Pressure washer, Honda GC190 premium engine for easy, reliable starting. 5-in-1 change nozzle, versatile cleaning. Durable throw frame and flat free tires for transportation. Onboard accessory storage convenience. Premium brass head pump for increased durability. High pressure water jets. Easily attaches to a 1/4 inch to quick connect spray wand. It includes pressure washer, trigger, handle, spray wand, 50-foot hose, 5-in-1 quick change nozzle, engine lubricant, surface 16-inch surface cleaner, and operator's manuals. Specifications: 3400 psi. That's 187 cc. PSI 3400 psi. Flow rates 2.3 gallons per minute. Pump: premium brass pump. Hose length 50 foot. Wheel size 10 inches. Weight 72 pounds. Yeah, this is a big boy. So that's what it looks like when it's open. The instructions. We got some oil and some accessories. We're not gonna go over all this yet. It's pretty nice wand with the quick connect at the end. So a screw connect there, and right here screw connects, and then we got a quick connect here for wheels. These are 10 inches. I think they're bigger than 10 inches, but that's what they said. Max speed 6 miles per hour. I don't think you're gonna run faster than that. A box within a box. So this is actually pretty nice. It's actually big. I thought it was going to be smaller than this. So this one does say Ryobi 16-inch surface cleaner, 27 to 3700 psi max, gasoline pressure washers, cleaning edges. So it does have some brushes here on the edges here, and it does have the two nozzles here, high pressure nozzles. You're going to pull this bag out. And then you do have some pins. Make sure you guys don't lose these. 2 different pins, safety pins, and 2 different washers. The wheels go like this. Stick that in there. You guys grab a washer. Then you guys grab one of these pins. Stick it in there like so. Make sure you guys line up the hole. Actually gonna put it upwards going down. Alright, so it's in. Stick this to the wheel like that, and then stick it in like so, and you guys find the hole. Once you guys find the hole, you guys can stick your locking pin. Alright, so the handle goes in like this. same way, but it's, you flip it over. Alright, so that's pretty much how it works. Alright, number 3, you're going to grab your wand, take the cap off, and then you're going to use this thing and screw it in there. These, and then just stick this in here. Alright, once it's in there, and then you screw up on the other end, you screw it right here. Alright, so it goes in like that. Right here, it does have a nice place for the wand to go in. What I like to grab is a bag with the rag and everything in there. Just grab your rag and just put it at the bottom. And then we're going to use this little guy. It's not even a funnel, but you're going to use this smaller, because this is a really small engine. So we're just going to put it in there. Yeah, I guess all of it goes in there. And then just put the cap in there. Alright, so I guess to start it, you do have to pull this lever here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But to start it, you have to pull this out. And to run it, you have to push this in. Put this in the 40 degree. Alright, so I was trying to get this on, start this engine, but I noticed that it started getting harder to pull this thing. So what I did is I grabbed the wand, and actually it already had some pressure in there, so that was what was keeping me from starting this engine. So I with one hand you hold on to the trigger, and the other one you pull the starting cable. And then you can easily get it started. As you guys do see, it's cleaning really nice. I really like this, and there's paint chips on this wall. However, guys, be careful when you're doing this on your wall. This is the stucco, synthetic stucco wall. So the stucco itself is the color. So be careful when you're doing that on paint, because this thing's really powerful. But yeah, I was chipping off paint. As you guys do see, there was white paint, like residue from whatever somebody was painting, and I was taking that paint off with this. So just be careful when you're doing it at your house. The wheels, guys, you clean the wheels really good with this thing. The tires were filled with dirt, and you know how they look whitish or brownish. Well, this thing's gonna make them nice and clean for you guys, and you don't even have to scrub them, basically. So that's one plus of using a machine this powerful. This is a really powerful machine, by the way. So with great power comes great responsibility, and you don't want to, obviously, you want to chip the paint off of your vehicle or your house or wherever surface you're working at. But yeah, if you guys look at here, how this thing is handling the dirt stuck on this from the armor all and all those tire protectants, how it gets stuck. Well, you guys do see the difference in the areas that I'm going over with the machine, and the areas that are not. The areas that look kind of brownish, they still have dirt in them, and the black ones are already cleaned out. Alright, so let's use this surface cleaner. This thing, it's fairly easy to use. So you stick it with the wand and you get started. So that's all it is. But you guys do see the difference on this. It's so nice. So nice to see the difference of the before and the after, basically. So it's just crazy. So that's it, guys. I do recommend this thing. Definitely check that out. It is really powerful. It's a really powerful machine. If you guys could get this at least at 40% off, this is going to be a killer deal for you guys. This is an awesome machine with the Honda engine. Guys, that's it for today. I'm just going to go ahead and leave you guys with the footage, the rest of the footage that I took. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.